Welcome to Seneca and Marlo's baking show. And we're going to make, what do you think to make? Blueberry cobbler. Brown sugar, blueberries, some vanilla, and butter, and almond milk. Self-rising flour, almonds. Marlo, give it back to me when you're done. Nope, you already got a turn. Now give it back to me when you're done with that. Brown sugar. Yeah. Ooh, yummy! Here we go. Starting oil. Oh, yes, I want starting oil. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. Whoa, look at this. Whoa, look at this. Yes, sir. Very scary. Look at this. Do it, Marlo. Yeah. Ah. Now it's time to spread it. And then can we use a spoon? This makes our kind of messy. Spread it, spread it, spread it around the pieces. Spread it. Yum! I'm gonna put that Now we're adding the blueberries. Yummy! Oh, the banana. This is gonna be yummy, Seneca. So yummy. Oh, that's a lot of blueberries, Marlo! That's a lot of blueberries. That's a lot of blueberries. You wanna help me spread it with your hand? Now we're going to pour extra brown sugar. We added nuts. Now let's put it on. I love the crispy thing. This is the end of our video. I hope you see more videos of Seneca and Marlo's baking show. Bye. Don't forget to tap the subscribe button and ring the bell. Bye-bye. Please eat second pie.
You want more pie? Crumble?